Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the dark mode in the Musi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three dots at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the dark mode section, you have three options to choose from. So you can turn it on and it will immediately turn black. You can turn it off, or you can set it to default, which means that the dark mode will automatically turn on at night. So just choose the one that you prefer. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.